Hey everyone, long time no see. Let's go over a quick video on how to divide with decimals. Now, the number on the inside of our little house is called the dividend. So when I have a decimal in the number inside our house or in the dividend, it's really fairly easy. I take the decimal, let me get a different color here, and the first thing you do is move the decimal straight up so that it becomes a part of your answer, okay? And then we divide like normal. We're going to follow that same process of dividing, multiplying, subtracting, checking, and bringing down. That part doesn't change. So let's go ahead and divide like normal. 5 going into 7. So what is 7 divided by 5 without going over? You should say 1. So it goes, remember, all of my answers go on the top of the house. So dividing, now I multiply. So let's multiply around. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Let's check. Is 2 less than 5? It is, so I can keep dividing. Bring down is my last step right there, 22. So now I'm dividing again, but now remember I'm working from the bottom. My answers still go on the top, but I'm working from the bottom. So does 5 go into 22? And it does. It doesn't go evenly though. Remember, you have to multiply something times 5 and get close to 22 without going over. So what would that be? You should have said 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 would be 25. That would be too much. So remember, answers on the top. 4 times 5, I'm multiplying now. 4 times 5 is 20. I've divided, I've multiplied, and now I subtract, working from the bottom again. 22 minus 20 is 2. So I have subtracted. Now let's check. Is 2 less than 5? And it is. So that means I can keep working through my process. Bring down. I have one more number to bring down, and that's my 5. So I go back to dividing. So what is 25 divided by 5? It's 5. And this one goes in evenly, so that works out really well. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Answers go on the top. Multiply around. 5 times 5 is 25. And then I've done my dividing, multiplying, subtract. 25 minus 25, that's pretty easy. It's 0. Remember, once you get down to 0, or wherever your teacher tells you you can stop, but generally when you get to a 0, you're done. Our next video, we will review how to divide with a decimal in the divisor and the dividend. So we'll see you in our next video.